What are you doing, Jack? Being a good boy? He's a good boy. I can hear my bees work in the garden. Good morning. Good morning. You ready for breakfast? Hey? He is a rooster. And he is a rooster. I was hoping he was an Australorp, but he's not. Doesn't have the really dark eyes. And I've got one more. And that one is a rooster. So I've got 3 roosters plus the other 2. So altogether 5 roosters. I think there'll be some chicken dinner. Homegrown pear. Having a bit of trouble with my fruit trees in my chicken pen. There's my chooks. Seem to like the fruit. Yes, I can hear you. Getting about 5 to 6 eggs a day now because they've gone off the lay. These are pink ladies. What are you doing? What are you doing, Mrs. H? What are you doing? A lot of pears on this tree. Mr. H, you are very noisy. Yes, you are. And these are pomegranates. It's the first time it's fruited. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pomegranates on my tree. First time it's fruited. Very happy about that. Hello, number 2. Are you going to lay an egg? Thank you. She's molting. A bit marked, but that'll be fine. This is Blue Moon. Blue Moon. It's our favourite time in the morning, isn't it, Jack? Eh? Won't be long and my golden ashes across there, 3 of them, will be going golden. Autumn is in the air. And these are maples, and they'll be a bright red. It's my pumpkin patch. I think I've got a few pumpkins on there. Planted them late, so hopefully they've got enough time to mature. There we go, one little pumpkin. And another one over here. So we've got a few, haven't we, Jack? Hmm? The little bees having a great time in there. This is the greenhouse, just overrun. And my zucchinis are just starting to come good. It's been a while since I've picked them. And here's one. Have that for tea tonight. That's a good size. And this one here, look at the size of this. I better pick it. Oh, it's broken. It's all right. These will be for tea. Are you having a good time there, Jack? Hey? Has to take his eyes off me since I returned home. You're a good boy, aren't you? You're a good boy. Yeah, you are. You're a good boy. And Bonnie, what are you doing? You a good girl? It's a big, beautiful zucchini flower. And these are my capsicums. Got red ones. And yellow. which is quite amazing. I think I'll pick that one. It's a good size. Well, a bit of tidying up is needed in the greenhouse. Yes, which we'll do. This is a chili. They go red. I like to leave them on the bush until they go red. We have that for tea, eh, Jack? Be tonight's dinner. Yes. The golden ash is getting ready to go golden in autumn. And these are Manchurian pears. They're about 20 years old. Make a lovely umbrella shape. And soon they'll turn beautiful orange, reds, browns and yellow. Won't be long. March is my favourite time in my garden, March and April, because all the colours of autumn begin to show. Hasn't quite started yet, but won't be long. So time to go inside. We'll check out what we've gathered in the garden. Hey, shall we? Okay, let's go and check it out. Not a bad vegetable harvest from my garden today. I'll make these into something yummy tonight for tea. Yummo. Goodies for tonight's dinner. Sage and parsley, little tomatoes, zucchini, capsicum, a pear, an apple and some chicken. Sure to be yummy. All chopped. Zucchini, apple, pear, tomatoes, parsley, sage, capsicum, and tomatoes and chicken with soy sauce and sesame oil. Looks delicious. Finished product. Yummy. And over here are my potatoes, which seem to be loving this old fridge. I think the harvest will be good in there. Seems to be the place to grow them. Harvesting my potatoes today. If you recall, I planted these in just grass, no soil, and I wanted to see how they'd perform. And pretty good harvest. Look at the size of that. It's probably my best potato harvest yet. This is just in grass. Makes harvesting very easy. Look, here's another big one. Look at the size of that. Wow. again, this is just all on just grass. Didn't bury it in soil. Just incredible. Just planted them in with grass clippings on the top. That's all, nothing else. Not a bad harvest and trial for potatoes.